Hi everyone, welcome to Badudina channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about different experiences of shopping online versus being in store physically during the quarantine time. Now we're trying to buy something that easy to store or already frozen, like a frozen fish, canned food, or mixed vegetables. For the sake of this video, I already have full shopping cart, and let's check it out what we have here. Okay, bananas, tomatoes, cabbage, nice. That's not me, that's not my choice, but whatever. Okay, cool. Let's go to the checkout. Right now, because everyone is ordering online, it's really hard to find delivery windows available, so we're gonna wait for a few hours and check it out again. Here you can see how far away the Whole Foods market located, and the delivery time is from 8 to 10 p.m., which is a few hours from now. At 8:05 my order was delivered, and here you can see, yeah, I'm all dressed up. Every single item in the order will be washed under the water with the soap very thoroughly, and only that we will put it in a fridge. Okay, so now let's check it out how the in-store experience looks like. Here I am at the Whole Foods store. You see the yellow lines, it's where the people are supposed to stand, so you need to keep distance. The good thing about Whole Foods particularly is they do not allow to enter the store if you don't have a mask, which is a good thing, because not every store does this. Whole Foods experience is always great, but shopping online on Prime Now is more convenient, safer, and I buy less online so I can save more money. Thank you for watching. Comment below in which way you prefer to shop.